Welcome to my channel. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of computer virtualization, an essential technology that is transforming how businesses, developers, and IT professionals use computing resources. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to expand your technical knowledge, this video will give you a clear understanding of what computer virtualization is, how it works, and why it is becoming increasingly critical in today's digital world. Computer virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of a computer system, including its hardware, operating system, storage, and network resources. Instead of relying on a single physical machine, virtualization allows multiple virtual machines, or VMs, to run simultaneously on a single physical computer. Each VM operates independently, as if it were a standalone computer with its own operating system, applications, and configurations. The technology behind virtualization is the hypervisor, a software layer that sits between the physical hardware and the virtual machines. The hypervisor manages the resources, such as CPU, memory, and storage, and allocates them efficiently to each VM. There are two main types of hypervisors. Type 1, also known as bare metal hypervisors, run directly on the hardware, offering high performance and efficiency. Type 2, or hosted hypervisors, run on top of an existing operating system and are ideal for smaller scale or personal use. Virtualization is not limited to personal computers. It is widely used in servers, data centers, and cloud computing environments. By virtualizing servers, companies can consolidate hardware, reduce costs, and improve flexibility. For example, instead of running 10 separate servers, a company can run 10 virtual servers on just two physical machines. This not only saves money, but also reduces energy consumption and simplifies management. One of the most significant benefits of computer virtualization is the ability to run multiple operating systems on the same machine. For instance, you can run Windows and Linux simultaneously without needing separate physical computers. This is particularly useful for software developers who need to test applications across different operating systems, or for IT professionals managing multiple systems in an organization. Virtualization also improves disaster recovery and backup capabilities. Because virtual machines are independent and portable, they can be easily moved, copied, or restored in case of hardware failure. This reduces downtime and ensures business continuity. Additionally, virtual machines can be cloned or snapshotted at any time, allowing IT administrators to roll back to a previous state if something goes wrong. Another popular use of virtualization is in cloud computing. Cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud rely heavily on virtualization to offer scalable resources to their users. Customers can deploy virtual machines, storage, and networking resources on demand, paying only for what they use. This model enables companies of all sizes to access enterprise-level infrastructure without investing heavily in physical hardware. Virtualization has also made its way into desktop computing. Desktop virtualization allows users to access a virtual desktop environment from any device, anywhere in the world. This is especially beneficial for remote work, as employees can securely connect to a virtual desktop that has all the software and settings they need, regardless of the device they are using. As we explore virtualization further, it is essential to understand the differences between server virtualization, desktop virtualization, application virtualization, and network virtualization. Server virtualization focuses on running multiple server instances on one physical machine. Desktop virtualization delivers virtual desktops to end users. Application virtualization isolates applications from the operating system to prevent compatibility issues, and network virtualization abstracts physical network resources to create flexible and efficient virtual networks. Virtualization is also a critical component of modern containerization technologies like Docker and Kubernetes. Containers provide a lightweight way to package applications and their dependencies, running them efficiently across various environments. While containers are not the same as virtual machines, they build upon the concept of virtualization and offer faster deployment, scalability, and resource optimization. At this point, if you are enjoying this content, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with more tech tutorials and guides. Make sure to like my video so that it reaches more people who are interested in learning about virtualization. Share this video with your friends or colleagues who might benefit from understanding computer virtualization. Comment down below with your questions or experiences with virtual machines. Turn on notifications so that you do not miss my next video where I will dive even deeper into cloud computing and advanced virtualization strategies. Virtualization also enhances security by isolating virtual machines. If one virtual machine is compromised by malware or a virus, the others remain unaffected, reducing the risk of a widespread system attack. IT administrators can apply security patches or updates to virtual machines without affecting other workloads, making maintenance safer and more efficient. From a performance perspective, virtualization has improved significantly over the years. Modern hypervisors and hardware acceleration features allow virtual machines to run almost as efficiently as physical machines. Technologies like Intel VTX and AMD enhance CPU virtualization performance, while advanced storage and networking virtualization improve I/O operations. In conclusion, computer virtualization is a transformative technology that enables multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical machine, enhancing efficiency, flexibility, scalability, and security. It has applications in servers, desktops, cloud computing, disaster recovery, software testing, and even remote work environments. By understanding virtualization, you can optimize your computing resources, reduce costs, and stay ahead in the fast-evolving digital landscape. Before we end, please subscribe to my channel so you do not miss future videos that will make you a tech expert. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with friends or colleagues who might benefit from it. Comment below with your thoughts, questions, or experiences with computer virtualization, and turn on notifications so that you do not miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel.